Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I'm going to show you the Eura Mobil Contura in this video. This is the motorhome I'm thinking about, and this Contura will cost you 142,000 euros. 784 long, 232 wide, height 292 centimeters, and this is it. Where's the driving seat? Aha, we'll worry about that one in a moment, but wonderful panoramic look to it and German layout at the back. I think this is a really attractive motor. A friend of mine got one of these, cost him a fortune, but he really likes it. In fact, he's been sending me photographs from his holidays inside it. So, wardrobe there. And also, we find a wardrobe down here as well. There you go. Steps up to the bed, German layout, so you can make it an even bigger bed if you want. And there's, of course, a like a laundry chute into the garage from here. Here we also have more storage, or wardrobe. Of course, I could do actually with the cost of this with a light in there. You make the German bed up by pulling this thing out here. Here is something to fill a pillow cushion. No, it's not a pillow, sorry, it's a cushion. It's a mattress, and that'll fill in here and make you an absolutely enormous bed in here. So we've got windows at either side. We've got these curtains over them. I think that's very elegant, actually, so I think that looks quite good. That's my opinion. I think it looks a load of rubbish. We've got a padded wall, so if any of you are thinking of ending up in a padded cell, you could come in here first and try it out. The shower, one of the best you'll find in any motorhome. I'll tell you something I've done in my shower. I've actually reduced the pump broke, so I got myself a pump with the weakest water pressure possible. I did that, so I thought if I end up with traveling with some lady, then she won't use all the water in one go. Right, this one here has got Alde heating in, and so let's now come to the front. Now, note it's got a flat floor all the way back, and in the floor we've got storage. Now the double floor is a great thing for keeping the cold out and keeping your technical stuff somewhere. The double floor isn't as deep as it is in Carthago or Hymer, but all the same, it's here, and that's the important thing. 3 burners there. We've got here a molded sink. This will come over like this, and water will drain off. They've now started putting this in their campervans as well. Something similar. It's not quite as good as that, but it's similar. Note the shape of the kitchen. This is something offered by EuraMobil, and look at these drawers as they come out. I think that, see how close they are together. Down there you can see what the water tank under the side chair. Here we've got extractor fan, we've got storage, we've got this here, which a coffee machine could go in or something, or glasses, dog food, something like that. And this is the face-to-face look, and now there is a way of putting, you have to, in fact, forward-facing chairs to go that way. In fact, I think they were on the bed at the back, the piece to make it go look in a forward way. Now, what this is here, this is this couch down here. This is a way of making your front seats into a sofa. It's a company actually doing it. I think they might have an advertisement outside, so we'll have a look at that one on the way out. How good is it? Well, let's give it a go. Oh, it doesn't collapse anyway, so let's have a look. So there's me in the sofa at the front. Actually, you know what? This isn't bad at all. I like this. And well, I wonder, I mean, it'll work in my van. I wonder if I should even give it a, I'll have a look at it, see how much it costs. I'll have a look at it tomorrow. I'll do a video on it. And I've got a backpack on as well. I mean, this is the stuff I use for filming. I've got my spare batteries and things of this nature, chargers, bits of paper I've picked up en route. Right, let's have a look at what we've got in the ceiling. We've got the fan, 2 ways. Now, this skylight, this is what makes the Contura stand out, but you can push it up with just one finger. Oh no, I can't push it up with one finger. You know why? It's up as far as it'll go. But when it's down, you can push it up with just one finger. It's really good that way. And look at the amount of light coming in. To me, the Contura is I think it's a really attractive motorhome. Okay, here we've got a fridge. This is the freezer bit. And this is the fridge bit. I love it. Got some storage. And here, slide out pantry. I hope I've shown you enough of it, because I could show you more. It's the end of the day, no one's around, and I'm getting a bit tired. And we'll have a look at the garage. Look how big it is. Look at all that space. 250 kilos in this can go. Sounding a bit like an advertisement here. I should be saying some bad things about it, so it doesn't sound so positive as well. I can't think of anything bad to say about it though. And there's your cassette toilet. There's the gas. And this vehicle, which I didn't say, is base. It's on the Mercedes. There's also a Contura on the Fiat Ducato as well, which is a little bit cheaper. Now, what I said I'd do here, well, let's just have a look at the payload. If it's up here, is the payload anywhere? It's on a 4.5 ton basis, but we haven't got the payload. So I think the payload's going to be in excess of 1 ton. Well in excess of 1 ton. That's what I think. Okay, the lounge here. So we've got the Happy Lounge, cockpit sofa bed, and that's what it could look like. And of course the colour scheme in here is different. Oh, that's a problem. I'm going to have to get this colour scheme to match. I didn't think of that. And this comes in Neustadt am Kocher. And we haven't got a price here though. It only weighs 14 kilos, light, compact. And right, any price on here? Doesn't look like it, sorry. And inside, what's it look like? Still no price for it. I think it looks quite nice though. Anyway, that's that. So there you go. That is the EuraMobil Contura 766EF, and that's what it looks like now. I think very attractive vehicle. Admittedly though, it is expensive, but what else do you expect from something which is top of the range? Thanks for watching.